Preparing garlic vinaigrette. Cutting green garlic. Green garlic has some unique health benefits that can boost immune system, improves heart health. Allicin in green garlic is an active ingredient, which is good for cardiovascular health. While it's an oxidant, in lower doses, allicin is an antioxidant, which prevents the hardening of arteries and the development of plaque. It inhibits enzymes that play a role in the formation of cholesterol. Allicin in green garlic also acts as an anti-hypertensive agent that reduces blood pressure and prevents stroke. Green garlic can reduce the risk of cancer through its active ingredient allicin, which causes the death of cancer cells. It also contains selenium, a trace mineral that reduces the growth of cancerous tumors. Green garlic also possesses antioxidants that prevent cancer by reducing oxidative stress and free radical damage.